What I would want to say is the alternative dispute resolution is as good as a tool to bring justice to the community. This is because sometimes cases that go to court take very long to be resolved. But in our case, you may find a case that takes about 2 weeks. We meet on Thursdays. The case is heard on Thursday, and the following week, that is on the next Thursday, it may be concluded and judgment given. But the challenge that may come around again is how to follow up with the judgment. Sometimes we also need support of the government to come in and help us enforce what the Ncheke has given, so that the judgment is followed to the latter. That is one of the challenges that we've been going through. The other challenges, like the venue where we usually meet, we don't have a shelter, we meet in the open. So when it rains, you find our sessions are interrupted sometimes. We get challenges there. When it is hot also, you find the different climate changes also end up affecting us. But all in all, we have been operating well. We have an office where we retreat to write our minutes where necessary or discuss further as a small council. But all of us are involved in the decision making, and we also give the complainant a fair hearing. They're also allowed to bring in their witnesses to defend the issues that are there. And sometimes we find there is a side that is not satisfied with what decision that is being made, they can still go ahead and appeal.
Last year, that is the year 2023, Ripples International mobilized our community, and in conjunction with the national administration, they were able to establish offices based at the chief's offices, whereby they have given us 2 staff, or they are provided with 2 personnel who are known as legal literacy volunteers who are based in our offices. They have trained these persons on handling cases, especially cases which are relating to children and women. And they have also provided them with the resource manuals to keep referring to when handling these cases. Now, these personnel have been of great help in our community and to the chiefs and even to the government in particular. That is because when you look at the system, the court system, whereby they handle other cases, the backlog now is reducing. At the chief's office, the cases are also reducing in number. And the end product in these cases mostly, is reconciliation, where people or families are able to reconcile in a win-win solution and where everyone is satisfied. Most cases are solved in a very short period of time. And to access this type of justice, which is being referred to as alternative conflict resolution system, it is becoming very cheap, such that all you need to do is to avail yourself at the chief's office. By establishing these centers or the conflict resolution centers based at the chief's offices within Meru County, Ripples International have been the real deal.
We have partnered with the county who have given us offices, 15 offices, where we have set up community reconciliation centers. And we have also trained about 24 legal literacy volunteers. We call them legal literacy volunteers because we have trained them to mediate on cases of family law. So they mediate on cases of non-maintenance of children, custody, paternity, succession issues, and a little bit of gender-based violence as and when it comes in. And this has really helped the community where we have set up these reconciliation centers, because it has contributed to the reduction of backlog of cases that we have in court. As we speak today, we can talk about almost 1,000 cases that have been resolved in those communities where we set up the community reconciliation centers. And today, what we intend to do is to focus on some of the challenges and some of the advantages that we've had since the inception of this program. And to say the least, we have worked with a number of community structures, including the chiefs, including the police, including the Ncheke, and we have made quite a number of, we refer cases to each other depending on the kind of case it is. And we all work hand in hand to push this agenda for alternative justice systems within Meru County.
Mimi nafanya na idara ya Legal Redress Volunteer na idara ya Repost International, ambapo walileta mradi wa kuweza kwanza kusaidia kijiji kwa kuweza kutengeneza zile makezi na kuwa zimeingia kule mashinani. Kwanza kabisa nashukuru kwa sababu tangu wakuje kuna zile makesi zwanga zinakuja zinapelekwa kotini, kana kwamba hata unakuta hata kesi ya mbuzi imepelekwa kotini, kuna kuoneana, kuna kuonewa na pia mipaka na kuachana na kukataa watoto. Sasa wakati walileta hizo miradi, tuliweza kuleta wale wananchi pamoja, tukawaongelesha, tukaweza kupatana, na nashukuru idara ya Repost sababu ile ni koti na kivyake. Na wakati walileta hii miradi imeweza kusaidia vijiji, na kila mahali unakuta kila mtu anatoka hata kotini, saa zingine na withdraw case kotini, wakipeleka kwa machifu wanatutumia hao, na tumeweza kuwasaidia. Na hata kwa upande wa watoto kupotea sana, hata imetugharimu sana. Unakuta hata wakati mwingine mtoto amekuja akawa abducted, tukamchukua kwa barabara, hajui kwao, amechukuliwa hata na mzee. Sasa wakati umepita kwa zile ngoma unakuta kwamba walitangana. Sasa katika kusuluhisha inaleta mambo mvurutano.